Hello, your name? My name is Pablo Picasso.
Where were you born?
I was born in Málaga.
What year were you born?
I was born in 1881.
When did you decide to buy a painter?
Since I was young, I loved to paint.
What did you like painting?
Family, people, and skyline.
What colors did you like to wash in your picture?
In many colors, especially blue, pink. They are two different states of my list.
What are your most important paintings?
They are Guernica, Les Demoiselles d'Avignon, Blue Period, and Cubist Period.
Where did you live?
I live in Málaga, Barcelona, and Paris.
Okay, bye.